just got done at the temp agency for the temporary employment agency, and I was kind of shocked. I had a lot of fun there, joking around with everybody and having a good time and filling out all the paperwork and stuff like that. But what shocked me, they don't have work either right now for me. They're telling me that, you know, after the first of the year, you know, that doesn't mean that something can come up between now and then that'll pop up and then they'll call me. They said I can check in, you know, send them if I want to send them a text once a day or every couple of days or something like that. But that was shocking. So all them jobs that I've been applying for and wondering why I ain't getting hired, well, if the temporary agency can't get me work that easy, that says something. Right? It makes me feel, well, not better, but it makes me feel like it's not just because of my age or something, you know what I mean? So now I'm gonna go. It's already snowing. It's ugly looking weather. I gotta get back to the Walmart lot right now. There we go. Good. Get out before traffic comes. It's almost like a whiteout already, blizzard going on here. Not quite a whiteout yet, but I'd say visibility is maybe half mile right now. School's letting out too, all the school buses. Yikes. You know, on this tough weather like this, what's kind of creepy is I'm a pretty dang good driver and a good defensive driver. But when the roads get like this, you gotta really watch out for other people, because even if you're a really good driver, it doesn't mean somebody can't come sliding into you. Oh my goodness gracious. I was almost tempted to stay right where I was, but the snow just started within the last 20 minutes or something like that. Oh, it started while I was inside that temp agency. And anyway, I just taking my sweet old time here. Jingle all the way. Anyway, so right now I'm just take the gas card that my church helped me with and go to the Quick Trip that it's good for here. Put some gas in. This is just crazy, man. The traffic's already not looking easy. Out here a little bit. Traffic's not normal traffic right now with all this slippery weather. Anyway, maybe it's giving you some good winter weather, looking out the window kind of stuff. Or just if I turn it a little more, maybe get a little better of a side view, a little bit of out the front window a little. It's got another little over a half then from there, if I just head back to Walmart, and there's other things I'd like to try to take care of, and another one of them. Dang it! Oh jeez, sorry about that. I'm gonna have to re-rig that thing. I think it's got a gimbal on it. It already popped through. So. Well, the gimbal saved it there. I think it's a trick. I'm going to stop recording so I don't get in an accident. Oh yeah.
Take the next left, then turn left.
And here we go in this wonderful Minnesota weather. Of a white Christmas. We got the white right. It's coming down strong here in Minnesota. And that makes the road slippery, but what's worse is after the snowstorm we got some freezing cold. 17 to 20 below and 30 to 50 below wind chill coming because of some 30-40 mile an hour winds to go with it or whatever. That means roads are going to freeze and get real slick. Caught that corner a little bit. Plowing that up, so
what do you think came first?
Shit.
The first candy cane or the first Christmas stocking?
Oh my goodness gracious.
Right, coming up here in 5 minutes.
What am I doing here? Okay, that camper that's right there, I haven't seen nobody outside it yet. Their hood's open and they got jumper cables laying on the ground, so I don't know if they need to jump or what, but I'm keeping an eye out. If I see somebody out there or moving around, they must have went into Walmart, but if I see them, I'm going to find out if they need help. Even though I've been having problems too, doesn't mean I can't get out there and help somebody else that might be having problems. Then just beyond that is like a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and the whole front left driver's wheel is out and on a dolly, and it looks like the whole axle, rotor, everything is gone. So they had some type of problem going on there. So they must have pulled the rotor, axle, and all that stuff out of the suspension, left it on that jacket, on that little roller jacket tire, hold it up, and then maybe they got somebody to bring them to the auto store to try to get the parts they need or something. What a bummer. I know what it's like to be broken down, especially in a regular vehicle. It's happened to me before in my Jeep that I used to have. So I guess I still have it until my storage unit's gone. But anyway, just thought I'd do an update clip there so you can see the crazy weather and the things that are happening in Minnesota. Then where the plastic meets the cabinetry, I'm going to try to get that taped off lightly too or something like that, so that way it holds that air barrier in there. So hopefully when the 20 below weather comes, I don't fight as much with it in here, because otherwise it might get down to maybe 40 degrees or something in here, I'm guessing, with the furnace fighting it if we got high winds. And I'm going to shut off my refrigerator, and I'm going to see if I got a big enough piece of cardboard to take off where the refrigerator vent cover is and put cardboard in there or something to block that so the air don't come through there. And that should help quite a bit. Anyway, that's my plan. Hopefully I can get that done between tonight and tomorrow or something, tomorrow morning, I don't know. But anyway, I gotta find my tape first. But just kind of updating you on what's going on in this crazy Minnesota storm. Well, crazy up here in Minnesota. We should be hanging out down south where the beaches are. Of course, they might know it's the greatest down there either, but you know, they get their hurricanes and stuff. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next clip.